guys, I'm Wei Chen and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please help me to hit the subscribe button and also the bell beside it. So today what I'm going to share is very helpful to every one of you, especially for students and workers out there. It is the easiest time management skill that everyone should know. So let's not waste any time now and straight to the point. Firstly, you only need a notebook or even a piece of paper, a pen, mechanical pencil, and a ruler. Then you need to calculate the length of the paper starting from here to the end. After that, you divide the number by 7 as we have 7 days a week, right? For example, my notebook is 29.3 cm long, and after dividing it, I get the number 4.18571428571428 So we're just rounding off until one decimal place, which is 4.2 cm. So I jot down a point every 4.2 cm at the top and also at the bottom of the notebook, and draw a line respectively. There you go with spaces for Monday until Sunday. Next, we are going to write the title for it, Monday until Sunday. Then we write time dash day here to differentiate two departments. Below it, we just need to write the time we normally wake up until the time we usually go to sleep. For me, it is normally 6 am to 12 am. There is a template for the whole schedule for a week. Now what we need to do is only write down the tasks to be done with mechanical pencil weekly. The reason to use mechanical pencil is that it can be erased and used again in the following week. If you think it is not environmental friendly enough, we actually can do it virtually. For instance, we can open Google Sheets or Microsoft Excel on our laptops and then do the steps that we did just now. Then all done. You may question how to effectively write down all the tasks to be done. There is my small tip for you all. The tip is to set out your fixed time for related tasks, such as the class time or working hours. For me, you can see I had jotted down my 2 subjects class time to avoid any clashes. Besides, you can also write down the time you wake up, sleep, having breakfast, lunch and dinner, etc. After that, you can write down any events that you need to attend that week. For example, I'm going to attend a virtual academic award this Wednesday 4 to 6 p.m. Finally, you can put anything you want to do, such as revision, exercise, playing games, watch Netflix and so on. After finish the whole schedule, all you need is just the discipline to follow it and get all things done. Super duper easy, right? There you go, my easiest skill on time management. I will put the template of it in Excel at the description below so you can download it and start your journey now. Don't forget to like, comment and share the video to enable more people to acquire this skill. Thank you for watching and looking forward to see you again soon. Bye bye.